You avoid running out of operating cash by keeping a rolling cash forecast, building a reserve of 3 to 6 months of expenses, and collecting payments faster than you pay out your own bills. Think of your business like a bathtub. Money coming in from customers is water pouring in from the faucet, and money going out for rent, supplies, and payroll is water draining out. If the drain empties faster than the faucet fills it, the tub goes dry, even if your business looks profitable on paper. This is called the cash flow gap, and it is one of the sneakiest reasons healthy-looking businesses shut down. A trick many owners do not know about is negotiating payment terms so customers pay you within 14 days, while you arrange to pay your own vendors in 30 or even 45 days. That gap gives you breathing room, almost like a free short-term loan. Another smart move is opening a separate savings account just for taxes and emergencies, so that money never accidentally gets spent on daily expenses. One common mistake is confusing profit with cash, since you can have strong sales but still have no money in the bank because customers have not paid you yet. The fix is to check your cash position weekly, not just your profit and loss statement monthly. Another mistake is growing too fast without funding that growth properly, because bigger orders often require spending money on materials or labor before you get paid. The solution is to line up a business credit line before you need it, not after. A lot of owners also forget to account for seasonal slow periods, so building a cash cushion during your busy months protects you when things slow down. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.